In the thick of a jungle in India, a little boy is playing with wolf cubs. Mother Wolf is there. She says to the little boy, "Mowgli, be careful, you could hurt yourself." Mowgli and his friends in the jungle book Mowgli. As an infant had been found by the wolf in the jungle, she had brought him up just as she had brought up her own cubs. Mowgli, still a boy, played with all the animals in the jungle. He had many friends: Baloo, the bear, Bagheera, the panther, and his many monkey friends. But Shere Khan, the tiger, was no friend. Mowgli had always been warned to stay away from Shere Khan's territory. Shere Khan did not like Mowgli and waited for a chance to harm the boy. One day, while Mowgli was playing, Baloo came running to Mowgli and said, "Mowgli, Shere Khan is in a terrible temper. He is going around telling everyone that he wants to kill you." Mowgli said, "Don't worry, Baloo, I can protect myself." Mowgli had a plan. It was to counterattack. He wanted to let loose the wild bulls of the forest on Shere Khan. To do this he had to corner Shere Khan. He knew where Shere Khan spent most of his time. It was on a slope in the mountains, far from Mowgli's cave. He did not want Shere Khan to spot him because that would be the end of him. Mowgli thought, "I should go around the mountain and to the top without Shere Khan seeing me. From the top the bulls can charge at Shere Khan." That evening, Mowgli gathered 8 wild bulls with the longest and sharpest horns. He said, "Today, we will put an end to the reign of terror by Shere Khan. This is my plan." Mowgli explained to the bulls how he wanted to attack Shere Khan. As per plan, they circled the mountain, unnoticed by the slumbering tiger. Once they reached the top, they could see in a clearing a little below rested Shere Khan. Mowgli said, "Once I give you the signal, charge together. Any false move and we could be endangering our lives." Mowgli lifted up his hands, brought it down and shouted, "Charge!" The bulls ran down the slope, kicking up huge amounts of dust. Shere Khan looked up, hearing this thunderous noise. He saw the bulls hurtling towards him. He tried to turn and run, but before he knew it the bulls were on top of him. The bulls pierced Shere Khan with their horns and flung him with the momentum of their run. Shere Khan was hurled and flung to his death. Mowgli and the bulls proudly went to announce to the jungle folks of Shere Khan's end.